Okay, so we're gonna see the difference between the Impossible Whopper and the regular Whopper. Got big fries. So I don't know why, but all the people trying it aren't using the app, because in the app they let you get both of them for $7, so you can taste the difference. And after tax, $7.63, and they even had large fries for $1, 9 cents tax. Okay. So my brothers are gonna try the burgers. I'm gonna mix them around and see if they can tell which one's which.
They have a different wrapper, right?
From looking at it, the better tasting one is the Impossible one, from what people were saying. So I guess pick the better tasting one and you'll be right. Okay, ready?
And then I'm gonna go.
Let's see what happens. So here's the regular one. Let's see. We got a regular one. After this, I'll open mine and then show what's inside the burgers. Nope, not yet. Okay, so here you can see. Oh, if you look at it, you can definitely tell just from looking at the patties. So you're just gonna have to bite it and then tell the difference.
Okay, just put it in front of me, I guess.
Okay, ready? Close your eyes. Not looking.
Uh-oh, everything fell out. Okay.
Okay, what do I do? Just let you bite it or whatever? Okay, I'll let you hold one. Okay, here you go. You're gonna drop stuff all over. You better lean forward and eat.
I can tell which one this is.
Better lean forward and eat. Okay.
Okay, next one.
Okay. Any guess so far?
Put it down. I already know what this one is.
Which one is it? Which one is it?
The thick one.
Are you sure?
I believe that was the Impossible Burger.
Are you sure?
Oh no! Hold on. I can't try this one.
Are you sure?
Hold on. Making me second.
Let's see if Talon can tell.
Oh!
Do you know which one it is?
Wrong already? Oh shoot.
Which one is it? Do they taste the same or what? Which one tastes better?
This one, the meat tastes like weird.
Meat tastes weird?
But the other one, it's like they didn't put flavor in the first one.
They didn't put flavor in the first one?
This one, I think they put ketchup and stuff. Wait, let me try eating the first one again. Where is it?
Okay, put it down.
Put it down. This one again?
Yep. So I'm gonna try. You want me to do it without you looking to look?
I don't remember which one's which.
I know which one's which. I can tell from looking at it.
No, I didn't put much flavor in this one. What?
I think this one's like Impossible.
Okay. Do you want to do it without looking?
Okay. I even remember what a regular Whopper tastes like.
Oh man, now.
Okay, here.
It's hard to tell.
This one first.
Alright. I want to change my answer.
Which one's?
I want to change my answer. The first one that I ate, that I had to take another bite out of again.
Okay.
That one tastes like the Whopper, a normal Whopper.
Okay.
And the other one,
that's right.
Tastes weird.
The other one tastes weird. Okay.
It's like harder. The meat was.
But what about the flavor?
Like harder.
What about
this
the flavor?
one? This burger has more flavor though.
Oh, so they
it's
do
like they
something to cheat it. So I'm gonna open it up and then
one, they
see.
didn't add much.
Ready to try the other one, Talon?
I guess missing ketchup or not much. Ketchup.
Here's all your ingredients. Ready for the other one?
Didn't taste much flavor.
What do you think that one is? Real or fake? I think it's real or fake.
They almost look the same.
Tastes pretty normal.
Tastes normal.
Tastes like burger.
Tastes like burger. Okay.
Yeah,
let's see.
They burnt that one more.
Does that taste like burger too?
Which one will someone get?
Oh, does that one taste like burger? I'm gonna see if a cat likes to eat this. We'll see.
I think this one's the fake one because it tastes more fibery to me.
Yep. You're right.
After I
Oh, so we can tell the difference. sorry, but your impossible wasn't impossible enough.
For me, the original one
Looks like they put more flavor though, so I mean they could probably put that on the other burger too, I guess, if it's just the condiments or something. So let's see if we can actually see if they're cheating and putting some different ingredients. So you got your top bun. Okay, so you can tell the fake one, it's like more 90 degrees perfectly cut.
It has an edge to the patty.
Yep, so you can see the other patty, see it's more like weird loppy-sided.
More rounded.
So you can see the difference. The tomatoes on here look a little more orangey, so they're giving me some not as good tomatoes on the real one. So you got the lettuce, okay. You got 2 things of tomatoes. You got 3 small rings of onions. Okay, not bad. Got 3 pickles and some ketchup and mayo, and that's it. They grilled both sides of the buns. So I'm gonna taste it. I know which one's which already from looking at it, but...
Did you mean both sides of the patty?
You
said buns.
No, they grilled the bun. They like just put it on the griddle or fryer or something, so it's like toasted. Okay, so you can see this, more lettuce, same thing, 2 tomatoes, some more onions. I got more onions on this one than the other one, same thing, 3 pickles, and same toasted. You can see there's more juice on this one, it's less dry. Now let's actually taste it. Since they already tasted it, I'm gonna see what's the difference. Tastes like a Whopper on this one. It does taste better. I don't think it's a seasoning thing. I think it's actually the meat. I'm going to try the meat by itself. I'm going to see if the cat will eat it.
For me, the meat tastes like dry.
More grill. I taste barbecue grill.
Yeah.
No. It tastes like this is flame boiled, and this actually tastes like a barbecue grill. So they put some kind of like charcoal flavor in this, and this one it tastes like they boiled it for some reason. So. Yeah. That's why this has like more flavor. I don't know if they added some smoke flavored, or maybe it gets the charcoal flavor better somehow, or maybe they're just not cooking this right, because this tastes like some boiled beef patty, and this tastes like it was on a charcoal grill or something.
Because this one they just put like on a flat metal.
Yep,
like
the griddle. No, they're all flame broiled, so it should be with a grill where they have flames. So I'm gonna break off 2 pieces. Come from? The grill.
No, this one doesn't have anything. It's just they just put it.
They didn't do it right. It's supposed to all be flame broiled. That's their signature. So maybe Burger King's making this taste better by grilling it, and then this one for some reason now they're just boiling it, so people go, "Oh yeah, this is better." I don't know, but it tastes. I don't know. I haven't had a Whopper in a while,
There's no grill marks.
Yep. See, so the normal one for some reason no grill marks. This one.
Yeah, I can tell they didn't make.
So in a while, maybe later when the hype of this goes down, I'll try a normal Whopper again and see if they put the grill marks. Now I'm gonna give this to the cat. So let's see if the cat likes it. Ready? Let's see. Hello, come down. Artemis, come here. Come on. Come down. Come down. Okay, so you can tell the difference. This is the real one, and this is the fake one. Which one do you want? Real one or fake one? None of them? You don't want it? Fake one? Or a real one or fake one? No? You don't want it? Don't make me eat it off the floor. Artemis, pick one. Pick one. She's eating the real one. Uh-oh. Sometimes maybe there's like sauce smell. Let's see. Want it? Artemis, here. I mean, she already ate, so she's not that hungry, but usually if I give her meat, she's gonna eat meat over anything else, so. Oh, she picked the real one. Is she gonna eat the fake one too? We shall see. I mean, I like to save the best for last, but cats probably don't care. She can smell the lack of meat in there. She doesn't want it. Come on, eat it. Oh, she's eating it too. Yeah, she doesn't seem as interested, but she's eating it. Okay, so it looks like she's eating it. So there you have it. Cats will also eat the impossible meat. So I don't know if she preferred the other one. She kind of looked a little hesitant on that, but she ate it, so that's good. I mean, I've gotten her to eat rice with some meat flavored sauce on it, so I guess if it tastes kind of like meat, she'll eat it. Okay, thanks for watching.